Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to find images now. First, confirm you're logged into the correct Mac OS user and that iCloud Photos is enabled if you use it. Open Finder and go straight to the Pictures folder or desktop. These hold most local images. If you prefer keyboard speed, press Command plus Space to open Spotlight and type a file name or keyword. Once done, make sure Finder's sidebar shows your common folders so you can jump between pictures, downloads, and iCloud Photos quickly. Now you'll narrow results efficiently. In Finder, click the search box, type kind, image to list only pictures and append file type, JPG or file type, PNG for formats. Use the Add Filter plus button to refine by date created, size, or tags. This helps when you remember rough timeframes or file size. Create a smart folder to save recurring searches. For quick verification, press Space to preview, use Gallery View to scan visually, and Quick Actions to rotate or mark favorites without opening photos. Finally, organize and handle problems. Move images into folders, apply tags, or drag them into photos. To export originals from photos, use File Export and choose Format and Quality. If you need advanced batch operations, use terminal commands like mdfind or a trusted third-party app. If pictures don't appear, make sure iCloud is synced, reindex Spotlight by adding /removing locations in system settings, and if Photos behaves badly, repair the Photos library while holding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.